Today, we're discussing an important topic for Coachella Valley residents: water quality concerns. With the increasing water use in our region, some of you might have noticed changes in your water quality. Perhaps you've seen sediment in your water or noticed a change in taste. These changes can be more than just an inconvenience. They could indicate a need for filtration or plumbing maintenance. First, let's talk about sediment. If you've ever filled a glass of water and seen tiny particles floating around, you're experiencing sediment in your water. This can come from a variety of sources, including natural mineral deposits, construction work affecting the water supply, or even aging pipes in your home. While small amounts of sediment might not be harmful, it's important to address it to ensure your water is clean and safe. Installing a sediment filter can help trap these particles, providing you with clearer water. Another common issue is a change in the taste or odor of your water. This can be caused by several factors, such as higher levels of chlorine used for disinfection, the presence of organic materials, or even the age and condition of your plumbing. If your water tastes or smells different, it might be time to consider a water filtration system. There are various types of filters available, from activated carbon filters that can remove chlorine and organic compounds to reverse osmosis systems that can handle a wider range of contaminants. For those experiencing these issues, it might also be worth looking into the state of your plumbing. Older pipes can corrode, leading to the introduction of metals like lead or copper into your water supply. This not only affects the taste and safety of your water, but can also pose serious health risks. Regular plumbing maintenance, including checking and replacing old pipes, can help ensure your water remains safe and clean. In the Coachella Valley, water quality can vary greatly depending on your location and source. Groundwater, which many residents rely on, can contain naturally occurring minerals and salts that affect its taste and clarity. Municipal water systems, while treated for safety, can still carry residual chlorine or other treatment byproducts that impact taste. To address these concerns, we recommend testing your water regularly. Home water testing kits are widely available and can give you a good idea of what contaminants might be present. For more comprehensive analysis, consider hiring a professional to test your water. This can provide a detailed report on the quality of your water and any potential issues that need to be addressed. Additionally, staying informed about your local water supply can help you anticipate and address water quality issues. Many water utilities provide annual water quality reports, which detail the sources of your water, any contaminants found, and steps being taken to ensure safety. Reviewing these reports can give you a better understanding of your water quality and any potential issues. In summary, changes in water quality such as sediment or a change in taste are common concerns for Coachella Valley residents. These issues can often be addressed with proper filtration and plumbing maintenance. By staying vigilant and proactive about your water quality, you can ensure that your water remains safe, clean, and pleasant to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maintaining a healthy home.